Hi friends, Momo is craving a nice drink, so today we're going to share our take on the trending dalgona coffee, courtesy of TikTok, or whatever the kids are into these days. These are the things that we'll be using. Feel free to pause the video and screenshot the ingredients. We'll also put it in the description box below. With that, let's get started.
Let's run through what we'll be using. This is the boba we use. ASMR boba. We only recently discovered the brand on the right. Ooh, that stuff is good. They also do other flavours like green tea and taro, but taro is objectively the evil stepsister of potatoes, so... You'll also need warm water, instant coffee for us coffee novices, milk. We use semi-skimmed, but any milk of your choice. Sugar. You can also use brown, demerara, or whatever other sugars there are, but we're going for all the sweetness. And boba, of course.
You're also going to need a tablespoon. I love this measuring spoon set. Your mum's nicest serving cup. A bowl to whip up that dalgona coffee goodness. And a whisk. We opt for a hand mixer, but a manual whisk would give you a mini bicep workout if you're still searching for a gym alternative.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Okay, to make the dalgona coffee, the star of the show, use your tablespoon to measure out the ingredients. What I love about this dalgona coffee is that it is so simple, just a 1:1:1 ratio. Mass talk for equal parts coffee, sugar and water, and even I can remember that. Remember to use hot water as this dissolves the coffee and sugar better, to give that smooth consistency. As you mix, the mixture will become puffier and lighter in colour. 1 minute later. Test the mixture by lifting the whisk. This just flopped, so keep mixing. 3 minutes. Okay, stop the SpongeBob reference. That caramel colour and slightly less floppy peak. We're looking for a nice, large, stiff peak. The longer you whisk, the more whipped cream consistency you'll get. But this looks good to me.
Start your computations.
On to boba, or tapioca pearls. On a high heat, heat milk. We used about 150 millilitres and 100 millilitres of water. Be sure to stir the milk regularly. Add the boba once the water starts to boil. And stir again. The milk started to overboil, so we took it off the heat. Reducing the heat earlier would prevent this, but for today, we'll just edit out the volcano instead.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Ooh, sizzling bubbles.
Onto the coffee, which we are using to blend the warm milk and dalgona coffee layers. Make this however you like. Clearly, editing me found that coffee explosion way too funny. Anyway, we recommend making it stronger than you would normally do, as the milk will dilute it. I just added a touch of milk to get that nice coffee colour.
And now to serve. Put the boba in your cup first. Then gently pour in the warmed milk,
Start your computations.
followed by the coffee. I'm sure there is a way to separate the coffee and milk layers more, but anyway. And gently add the dalgona coffee on top. Smooth out the surface to create a barista standard look. And there you have it, folks. Momo's order is ready. Wizard Momo casts a spell. Give it a stir. And you're ready to taste.
Et voila! You have yourself a Momo approved hot dalgona coffee with boba.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you and see you next time.